Welcome back to Fahtel Growth Tips, where we explore finance, self-help, personal development, travel guides, and asset management. In this video, we have an exciting topic that could change your career path and give you the freedom to work from anywhere in the world in 2024. That is, working remotely. Before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now, let's jump into why remote work is becoming so important in today's global economy and reveal the 10 best remote jobs you can do from anywhere in 2024. So, why is remote work such a big deal today? Well, let's start with a bit of history. Remote work has come a long way. Remember when telecommuting was just for a few tech-savvy folks? Fast forward to now, and we have digital nomads working from tropical beaches and bustling cafes all over the world. The COVID-19 pandemic played a huge role in this shift. It forced companies to adapt to remote setups, showing us all that it's not only possible but often more efficient and rewarding. And the numbers don't lie. According to recent studies, remote job opportunities have grown by over 90% in the last few years. Companies are seeing the benefits of a distributed workforce, from cost savings to happier, more productive employees. Alright, now that we understand the importance of remote work, let's dive into the main content, the 10 best remote jobs you can do from anywhere in 2024. Number 1, freelance writing/editing. Freelance writers and editors create content for blogs, websites, and various publications. The key responsibilities include writing, proofreading, and editing articles to ensure they meet the desired quality and tone. If you have a way with words, this job might be perfect for you. You will need strong writing skills, attention to detail, and the ability to meet deadlines. The best part? You can earn anywhere from $30,000 to $100,000 a year, depending on your experience and niche. Take a look at successful freelancers like Elle McCain and Jordan McEl for some inspiration. Number 2, software development. Software developers are the backbone of the tech industry. They design, code, and maintain applications and systems. Currently, the most popular programming languages are Python, JavaScript, and Java. On average, software developers can expect to earn around $80,000 to $120,000 a year. The demand for skilled developers is skyrocketing, making it a secure and lucrative career choice. Number 3, digital marketing. Digital marketers help businesses grow their online presence through SEO, social media, and content marketing. You will need to be creative and analytical, with skills in platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and email marketing. A successful digital marketer can earn between $50,000 and $100,000 annually. For example, check out Neil Patel and Ann Handley, who have built incredible careers in this field. Number 4, graphic design. Graphic designers create visual content for websites, advertisements, logos, and more. Key responsibilities include conceptualizing visuals, creating graphics and layouts, and collaborating with clients or creative teams. You will need proficiency in tools like Adobe Creative Suite, Sketch, and Figma to excel. Your portfolio is your ticket to landing jobs, so keep it updated with your best work and tailor it to the type of design jobs you're targeting. Earning potential ranges from $40,000 to $80,000 annually, with top designers making even more. Number 5, online teaching. As an online tutor or teacher, you will provide educational support in various subjects through virtual platforms. Responsibilities include creating lesson plans, teaching students, and assessing their progress. Popular platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Udemy offer opportunities to teach everything from English to advanced math. Remote education has revolutionized learning, making it accessible to students worldwide. Earnings can vary widely, but many tutors make between $20 to $50 per hour, with the potential for more based on expertise and demand. Number 6. Virtual Assistant. Virtual assistants support businesses by handling administrative tasks such as scheduling, email management, and customer service. Key skills include organization, communication, and tech savviness. Successful virtual assistants often leverage tools like Google Workspace, Asana, and Slack to stay productive. Some VAs have scaled their services into full-blown agencies, demonstrating the potential for significant growth. Earnings typically range from $25,000 to $75,000 per year, depending on experience and the services offered. Number 7. Data analysis. Data analysts interpret complex data to help businesses make informed decisions. Responsibilities include collecting data, analyzing trends, and creating visual reports. Essential tools for this role include Excel, SQL, and Python. The demand for skilled data analysts is high across various industries, offering a salary range from $60,000 to $110,000 annually. This role is perfect for those who love working with numbers and deriving insights from data. Number 8. Customer Support Representative. Customer support reps help customers with inquiries, issues, and troubleshooting, primarily through phone, email, or chat. Key responsibilities include providing timely solutions and maintaining customer satisfaction. Soft skills like patience and problem-solving are crucial. Many companies, like Amazon and Apple, hire remote customer support reps, offering salaries around $30,000 to $50,000 per year. This job is ideal for those who enjoy helping others and solving problems. Number 9. Content Creator/YouTuber. As a content creator or YouTuber, you will produce videos on topics you're passionate about, from tech reviews to cooking tutorials. Responsibilities include planning content, filming, editing, and engaging with your audience. Monetization strategies include AdSense, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Growing a successful channel takes time and consistency, but the rewards can be substantial, with top creators earning 6 to 7 figures annually. Tips for success include finding your niche, posting regularly, and connecting with your viewers. Number 10. Remote Project Management. Remote project managers oversee projects from start to finish, ensuring they meet goals, timelines, and budgets. Key responsibilities include planning, executing, and closing projects. Tools like Agile, Scrum, Trello, and Asana are essential for managing tasks and teams effectively. With a growing demand for organized and efficient managers, salaries range from $70,000 to $120,000 annually. This role is perfect for those who excel in leadership and organization. We have covered the top 10 remote jobs you can do from anywhere in 2024. Each of these careers offers flexibility, great earning potential, and the freedom to work from wherever you choose. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about some self-help and personal development tips to help you thrive in your remote career. First up, the importance of continuous learning and skill development. The remote work landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead means continuously upgrading your skills. Take online courses, attend webinars, and read industry-related books and articles. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wealth of resources to help you keep your skills sharp and relevant. Balancing work and personal life can be challenging when your home is also your office. Set clear boundaries between work time and personal time. Create a dedicated workspace, stick to a schedule, and make sure to take regular breaks. This helps maintain a healthy balance and prevents burnout. Maintaining productivity and mental health while working remotely is crucial. Stay organized with tools like Trello or Asana, and set achievable goals for each day. To boost your mental health, practice mindfulness, take walks, and stay connected with friends and family. Remember, it's okay to take time for yourself and recharge. Alright, we would love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences about remote work in the comments below. What is your favorite remote job, Or do you have any tips for working remotely? Let's get a conversation going. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our updates. We cover a range of topics from finance to self-help and personal development, all aimed at helping you live your best life. Our next video will be the ultimate guide to finding and applying for remote jobs in 2024. We will be diving deep into the best strategies to land your dream remote job, from crafting the perfect resume to acing virtual interviews. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, take care, stay productive, and keep chasing those remote work dreams. See you in the next video.